Are your Ring camera alerts coming late? Let's fix motion delay in just 2 minutes. This happens due to Wi-Fi latency and cloud processing delay. It's not a camera fault. First, check your internet speed. Upload speed must be stable for fast alerts. Place your camera closer to the router. Weak signal causes delay in motion alerts. Switch to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Ring cameras perform more stable on this band.
How to fix motion delay? Best products to fix delay. Highly recommended. For buy these products, links are in description.
Increase motion sensitivity inside the app to detect movement faster. Enable pre-roll if available. It records a few seconds before motion starts. Restart your router and update firmware to reduce network lag. So remember, motion delay is caused by network speed and cloud processing. Fix your Wi-Fi and your alerts will be instant. If this fixed your issue, like, thumbs up, and subscribe for more real security camera fixes. Comment your problem. I reply fast.